I'm sure there's a nice motor in here, so I'm going to open this guy up and see what's happening. Can't find the screws on this one. Obviously looks like they're right here, but I can't really see if it's actually there. Let's start at the top here. Some plastic. So just found a nice tiny board. Nothing too special. Some switches, so there might be some silver in there, and a couple of monolithic capacitors. Let's see if we can find the screws on this guy. I'm almost sure they're in here. Let's try to drill them. See if they're really there. It seems like there's this plastic that doesn't want to come off. And we'll try to drill them. That's the whole point of, I guess, scrapping. Using different methods to get into stuff. That's some of the, I guess, fun part of scrapping. At least I enjoy that part. Let's see if there's a screw in here. No, there's definitely no screw there. Huh. I wonder how this thing opens. I wonder if we just have to crack it open. Nothing there either. Oh, so weird. No screws. Yeah, it goes straight through. Oh, I see. The screws are deep. So, yeah, the screws are in here. Can't get these caps off. They're difficult to take off. So, pretty much have to drill through. I guess an easier way would just be to take a hammer to it and bust it open, but what's the fun in that?